It is a certain time here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and this is the last night of vacation 2016, and every night has been beautiful. Tonight, unfortunately, we have a rainstorm, and down there is the beautiful Ocean Dunes Hotel. I myself am staying at the Sand Dunes Resort and Spa, and I'm trying to catch on video a really pretty bolt of lightning. And somebody above us, we are on the 10th floor. If y'all can see, we're on the 10th floor. It is very, very, very high up. And believe it or not, a few times I have found myself wobbly legged and about ready to puke my guts up. Oh, snap. Did I miss something? But somebody above me on floor 11, and I'm guessing that's 1104 since we're 1004, I'm guessing that they are cooking barbecue. Trying to catch one. The ocean's right down there, but you can't see it because of how dark it is. Maybe if we got one that lit up the whole sky,